Good, what's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Going to take a quick look at Matic. Currently, we're sitting at 94 cents, up 1% on the day. Seeing a market cap of 7.96 billion. 24-hour volume, 592 million. Let's hop into the charts. Going to start here on the 1 hour time frame. So the bullish wave count is that we put in a wave 4 pullback here. And we're still looking to come up in a wave 5, irregular ABC correction. So the sub waves are that we've come up in a wave 1, we've seen a wave 2 pullback. Just going to see this yellow box out. And now we're starting to push up in a wave 3, which is here in green. And we've completed a 5-wave move. So what we could be looking at here is the wave 1 of the wave 3 being complete. We see a wave 2 pullback, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Just going to change the color here, make it a little bit bigger. Okay, so what we'd be looking at is that we've had a 5-wave move into a 1, and now you're looking for a wave 2 pullback. So if we take our fib retracement from the beginning of wave 1 to the top, for a wave 2 you would target, let me just take this Fibonacci out. Okay, so a wave 2 pullback, you would target the 0.5 to the 0.786 in between 86 and 82 cents with a minimum retracement of 88 cents and a maximum retracement of 99% of wave 1, but ideally in between 82 to 86 cents for a wave 2 pullback. And then you would push up in a wave 3. I'm just going to move all of these over. So and let's just do it like this. Wave 4 pullback would be here. Wave 5, complete the wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Okay, so to measure the wave 3 here, which is in green, the larger wave count, you would take your trend-based fib extension from the bottom of wave 1, which started right here, to the top of wave 1, which is here in green, to the bottom of wave 2. And you would target the 1.618, which is coming in at $1.07. That would be for a wave 3. See a wave 4 pullback, a final wave 5, which would complete a larger 5-wave move from the beginning, from the bottom for Matic here, all the way down at 32 cents. That would complete the 5-wave move, completing the large wave 1, which would be a stronger indicator of the bottom being in for Matic. That is the bullish wave count. However, the wave count that I think is likely is that this is a wave 4 pullback, and now we're starting to come down in a wave 5. However, if we do break this high, it would invalidate this 1-2 setup where we've come down in a 1. And this is a wave 2 pullback, which has reached the target zone in between the 0.5 to 0.786. We get rejected here, and we start to come down in a wave 3. So this is the bearish wave count. To measure wave 3, same thing, trend-based fib extension from the top of wave 1 to the bottom. If wave 2 were to get rejected here, then your wave 3 target would be the 1.618 at a minimum, which is currently at 42 cents. Then you would see a wave 4 and a final wave 5 to put in a lower low for Matic, which I think is likely, but of course anything can happen. As we can see here, we did break down from this ascending channel. And the resistance to watch is up here at $1.03. If we do push up here to basically create a bit of a double top, triple top on the daily, and watch for a bearish divergence. If we come up and we create a lower high in the RSI, will be a bearish divergence. Do watch the money flow as well, as if we do create those bearish divergences, could be a sign that the bulls are losing strength. If we do come up and break these highs, your next major level of resistance is all the way up at $1.34. I would be quite impressed and surprised if Matic pushes all the way up to those levels. Of course, anything can happen. Your wave 5 target in between about $1.12 to about $1.31, which lines up with that level of resistance. So it's a possibility, but personally I think that there's a good chance that Matic topped out here in a wave 4, and now we're going to see a 5-wave move to the downside, but we'll see how it plays out over the next few weeks for our friend Matic. Okay, gang, that's it for this one. Make sure to sign up to Bybit, my favorite exchange for trading. $4,000 deposit blast off bonus for 13 more days. We have derivative trading bonuses for 18 more days, and $30 welcome bonus for 29 more days. And until December 31st, 0 fees on spot trading, celebrating their 10 million users. All right, guys, you can sign up through the links in the comments. Big shout out to the Discord, over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. At the $10 membership, you can get my exact entries, exits, and take profits. Check it out in the links in the comments. $10 a month, and I'll see you in the next one. All right, much love. Take care.